We see everything, every shadow, every quiet footstep. The world above is so noisy.
But down here, the whispers of the currents are enough.
Trust isn't built in daylight
alone. It's forged in quiet moments like this.
Whee! That's fun! Welcome to my channel! We've got miles to go, but we'll find small joys in each crunch of snow beneath our boots. One step at a time, old friend. What if bringing your AI actors to life felt as natural as directing human actors on set? Runway's new Act 1 update allows more lifelike dynamic lip-syncing. The first version of Act 1 was already a massive improvement, solving a real problem. However, it was struggling with static scenery because we had a static image as a starting point. Now we have AI performance capture that works with realistic generative AI video, which creates highly dynamic scenes. Using this method, you can create talking, consistent characters with realistic lip sync. Let me show you how. When you visit Runway, start a new session and click on Act 1 section from the toolbox on the left. You will realize some subtle UI changes here. First of all, model selection drop-down is now positioned here. Previously it was on top. And for Act 1, now we have video option that we can use. We can use some pre-populated videos that Runway team uploaded here to demonstrate new Act 1 update. First, I will upload a performance video. It's video of myself where I'm acting the scene. You can start recording yourself directly via this button, or you can select a performance video where you recorded yourself before. There are a few considerations that you need to be aware before you're uploading your performance video. You need, of course, a well-lit environment, a single-face video framed from around the shoulders and up, forward-facing in the direction of camera, faces in frame for the entire video, clear mouth movement and expressions. Sticking out your tongue is not supported. Very important to know. You need minimal body and head movement. No cuts, maximum 30 seconds you need to act out. And you have similar requirements for character images and videos as well. Now I'm uploading my performance video that I recorded before, and I separate it into 30 seconds pieces using CapCut. You can see the performance here. We see everything, every shadow, every quiet footstep. Now, as a character reference, I'm going to upload a pre-rendered video. For the first video, actually, I'm going to upload a video I generated using Minimax. As you know, I'm a big fan of Minimax as a tool, especially when it comes to character motion, movement, and action. Or simply, you can use various different AI video generators. You can use Clink or Runway or any other tool for your character reference video. For this video, I have not used any prompt. Simply, I use image to video. I generated the image using Flux. But for Runway, you can use a prompt static shot natural movement or static shot dynamic movement if you want to create similar videos like this for your character. Okay, now I'm uploading this video to Runway. It's detecting the face from my video and it's uploaded. One question is, what if performance video length doesn't match the pre-rendered character reference video? For example, we have a 9 seconds performance and 5 seconds reference video. In this case, simply it will loop your character reference video. We hit generate. Our video is ready. Let's hear it. We see everything, every shadow, every quiet footstep. You lead, my friend, and I will follow your silent wings. Of course, this female character talking with my voice is super strange now. It's not possible to change the character's voice natively on Runway yet, but I'm pretty sure it's coming soon. We will use other third-party tools to update or change the character's voice. Another cool thing about this feature is you can use a video where your character is walking and then it will still create the lip sync with your performance. That creates hyperdynamic scenes where your character is talking while walking. Let's see the example. The crowds tick and those scanners never sleep. I'm here for the memory chip. No haggling, no delays. It makes sense to keep your acting brief because once the video is looped, it looks a little bit strange. Next thing I want to show you is motion intensity setting. You can find this under settings for Act 1. You have motion intensity here. It's a simple setting, simply controls how much face and head movement you want your character to have. If you increase intensity, the character in your video will be moving much more dynamically. And obviously, if you decrease it, it's going to be much more subtle. You can see a comparison of different motion intensity levels on the screen. When it comes to changing the voice of your character, you have many options. You have, of course, 11 labs. Recently, Minimax Hylia also launched an audio mode. You can find it right here. And it also allows you to create speech synthesis with many different languages. And you can set up emotion. And you can simply modify the sound quite a lot. It's very impressive. You have hundreds of different audio options. And my personal favorite is PlayAI. It's a completely free tool and it allows you to create really natural sounding, amazing speech synthesis where you can simply choose a voice, you can write your narration and hit generate speech. You can also create your own voice clone by uploading an audio sample. Then you can use a tool like CapCut, extract the audio from your existing lip sync video and change the audio with the new generated audio that you created.
Let's see if this old remedy can still create a miracle. My hands are not as steady as they were, but the flame is steady, and the scent warms my heart.
The Runway Act 1 simplifies creating a dialogue scene using the same exact method that I showed you. I simply wrote a simple alien dating dialogue, and then I generated all these videos and stitched them together to create a natural sounding, natural flowing dialogue scene. So let's go back to PlayAI, pick a conversation and delete this and write the conversation I wrote for this alien dating scene, where you will see I have these labels where I'm specifying which character is talking when. And for speaker 1, I need to choose a female voice.
Hey, how are you going? So what are you up to today? I'd love to chat and catch up.
Hey, hello. Thanks for clicking my voice. Oh, you know I'm around if you'd like to have a quick chat.
I'm going to choose Amelia for female voice, and we also need a male voice.
Hey, how's it going? I appreciate you selecting my voice. So what would you like to
choose Baptiste, and I hit generate speech.
You know, I'm 273 years old, but that's only in Mercury years. On my home planet, I'm barely 20.
Wow, so lively. And it's super cool that you're not hooked to the singularity and still keeping your physical form.
And I will download this sample here. Now let's see the final result, bringing everything together.
You know, I'm 273 years old, but that's only in Mercury years. On my home planet, I'm barely 20.
Wow, so lively. And it's super cool that you are not hooked to the singularity and still keeping your physical form. I love to walk on the methane shores in Alpha Centauri. I've been there twice this week. Maybe you would like to join me for a dip in. Well, whatever that green stuff is.
Ooh, sounds delightful, but just a disclaimer, I have 56 children. Don't worry, they're scattered across different solar systems, so no surprise visitors.
Perfect. I'm totally into family. Also, I enjoy watching Big Bang neutrino explosions on weekends and playing Octoball. You know, octopuses slam dunking asteroids into neutron hoops?
Don't love a tentacle forward guy. Let's book that methane shore spa date.
And last thing I want to mention that it also works with animated characters. Unfortunately, it's hit and miss with animal characters. But if you have a Pixar-looking character like this, it works with that as well. You can see the result here.
Oh, look at those bubbles. I wonder if they carry songs or dreams. I've never met a current I couldn't dance with, or a reef I couldn't whisper secrets to.
Hopefully this video was truly helpful for you. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials. If you want to learn more about creative intelligence, click here.